Meet the 2025 Ford Maverick XE, where compact size meets serious capability. Whether you're commuting, hauling, or heading off-road, this truck is built to handle it all without breaking the bank. With a starting price of just $26,995, let's explore what makes the Maverick a game-changer in the pickup world. Under the hood, the Maverick XL comes standard with a fuel-efficient 2.5 liters hybrid engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission, delivering an impressive 42 miles per gallon in the city. Need more power? Opt for the 2.0 liters EcoBoost engine with 250 horsepower and an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you the muscle when you need it most. And for those looking to tackle rough terrain, available all-wheel drive provides enhanced grip and control. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and practical interior that seats 5 passengers comfortably. The Maverick XL comes with black onyx and medium dark slate cloth seats with a 6-way manual adjustable driver's seat for personalized comfort. And when it comes to storage, flip-up rear seat cushions reveal under-seat storage bins perfect for stashing tools, gear, or groceries. Tech lovers, rejoice! The Maverick XL features Ford's Sync 4 system with a stunning 3.2-inch touchscreen, offering swipe capability, Bluetooth connectivity, and Sirius satellite radio. A productivity screen in the instrument cluster keeps key vehicle stats at your fingertips, making every drive a connected experience. On the outside, the Maverick XL sports a bold black mesh grille, black door handles, and 17-inch steel wheels. Need to haul some gear? The Flexbed storage system and 6 tie-downs make securing cargo a breeze. For even more versatility, optional upgrades like a bed extender, spray-in bed liner, and trailer hitch receiver let you customize your Maverick to fit your needs. Safety is a top priority, and the Maverick XL is loaded with Ford Copilot 360 technology. Standard features include auto LED high beams, a rear view camera, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. Upgrade to available features like Bliss with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control for extra peace of mind on the road. Want to take your Maverick to the next level? Ford offers several optional packages, including the 4000 tow package for those who need serious towing capability. Personalize your truck with dealer-installed options like a bed divider, window air deflectors, and all-weather floor liners. Whatever your lifestyle, there's a Maverick XL setup for you. The 2025 Ford Maverick XL starts at an impressive $26,995, offering unmatched value for those who need a capable yet affordable truck. This compact pickup packs a punch with a standard 2.5 liters hybrid engine that delivers an estimated 42 mpg in the city. Need more power? You can opt for the available 2.0 liters EcoBoost gas engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for seamless performance. Convenience is key in the Maverick XL. Standard features include 2 front USB ports Type A and Type C, remote keyless entry, Ford Pass Connect for seamless connectivity, cruise control for long highway drives, under-seat storage bins for added practicality. With 6 bed tie-downs and a Flexbed storage system, the Maverick XL is ready for any job. You can upgrade with options like bed tie-down locking rails, trailer hitch class 3 with 4-pin and 7-pin connectors, bed extender and removable bed mat for extra cargo management. So, whether you're navigating city streets, taking on weekend adventures, or tackling tough jobs, the 2025 Ford Maverick XL delivers big on performance, efficiency, and versatility, all at an unbeatable price. Ready to get behind the wheel? Visit your nearest Ford dealership today.